Welcome back to Daily LeetCode Live, where I do daily LeetCode questions, raw and uncut. So let's get started. Well, that was still yesterday's question. I have to refresh it first. Yep. So we get an easy question today. So the question is clear digits. You are given a string S. Your task is to remove all digits. By doing this operation repeatedly, delete the first digit and the closest non-digit character to its left. Okay. Run the resulting string. Return the resulting string after removing all digits. Right. So, yeah, I think like we have to kind of look at the example to kind of make sense of this, I guess. So delete the first digit and the closest non-digit to its left. Right. So if we look at this, basically what this means is yeah, basically what this means is that, like, I think, because the question is a bit vague, but I think you just remove the first like the first non-digit character. Oh wait. Oh, I think I understand now. So we want to delete the first digit. So what first digit means is not like at the beginning of the array. What it means is, well, like at the beginning of the string, what it means is like the leftmost digit and then the closest non-digit character to its left. So in this case, well, we're just gonna remove b here because it is the closest to its left. And when we like, so that's why we remove b and 3 first, and then we remove c and 4 afterwards. Well, because we remove 4 and then c is the closest character on its left. Well, okay, like my question when like why I got a bit confused on this is what happens if we have like um what happens if we have like 34c? Like if we remove this, um whoa, there are no characters on the left. Okay, but when we look at the constraints, it makes sense. So it says that the input is guaranteed, is generated so that it is possible to delete all digits. So in other words, it is guaranteed that we wouldn't have this case happening. So we will always, like for each digit, we will always have a character on the left, or on its left, that we can delete. Well, what data structure does this remind me of? Well, the first thing is definitely a stack. Well, because let's look at example 2, right? So we have CB34. So if we use a stack, we can just like stack the string upright. So we have, so this is the bottom of the stack. So we put C in, we put B. So whenever we see non-digit character, we want to push it into the stack. Otherwise, what do we want to do? We want to, like when we see a 3, well, we don't really care about the 3, right? And like we are guaranteed that we can delete all the digits. Like all we want to do is we want to remove the leftmost character. Well, what is the leftmost character? It is the top of the stack. So like, because if you think about it, like if you rotate it back this way, like from this to like this, oh, the new Apple Intelligence. Oops. Like if you rotate it, well, this is the leftmost. So like on the stack, it is the equivalent is it is like at the top. So hence the stack as well, because we want to pop the top. So so here we just want to pop B, and then when we see 4, it is a digit. We just want to pop C, and the resulting string well, it will be what's left on the stack. So like if you look at example 1, well, there are no digits. So you just make that stack, and then, well, we return ABC at the end. And, well, that's the solution for this. And this will also, like the time complexity of this will also be ON, which is not needed because, like, it's only a 1 to 100 for the string's length. Well, like, you can brute force it as well. Like, you can just, like, find, like, the first digit, and then, like, can just keep looking, like, at the left, to find, like, the closest, character. Like, an n square, n cube solution would still work for here. But we'll do the clean way, because, like, we figured that out. Yeah. So let's get started. So first of all, we want to get the length of the string. So string length will be a length of s. Well, do we even need that? I guess so. I guess so. So, and then we have a stack. And for character in s, well, what do we want to do? If the character is numeric, well, I need to search up if it is numeric, so I'll do that right now. Yeah, so basically, like, we want to check whether, yeah, it is numeric. We want to check whether the character is numeric. So if it is 0 to 9, it will be numeric. Otherwise, it will be a character, right? So if it is numeric, well, we want to pop the stack, and for Python list, they're actually built in as a stack. So you can just pop from them, and you can append. So just do stack.pop. We don't really care about the return value. We just want to pop that out. So otherwise, we want to do stack.append. So we want to add it at the end, the character. And then at the end, well, we just want to return the string. But right now we have a stack of characters, right? So basically what that is a list of characters. We want to concatenate them. So we can just do an empty string.join stack. I think that's how you do it. I might be wrong though. Okay, yeah, that's how you do it. And yeah, there we go. We solved it. Nice. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.